So what we have here is a Pillsbury crust. I've unrolled it and put it in a Pyrex glass plate, pie plate. We're going to make a quiche. We've got cheese ends, miscellaneous, whatever they had, cheese ends for $3.99 a pound. I'm going to use bacon. I like sometimes to use these pre-cooked. It's wicked expensive, but it's really thin, and I don't know, it just allows you, I can add bacon to this without it getting all greasy and everything. And we're going to do eggs and heavy cream as well. I'm debating about broccoli. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to put that in or not yet, but we will see. And we have 153 grams of cheese, and we're going to convert that over to try to get ounces or pounds. Half 5.41 ounces. So here's what it looks like before we going into the oven. Now the reason I use this this pre-cooked bacon, it's wicked expensive, but it's thin and you don't have to use that much of it. I probably used a little more than I had to. But the thing is too is a lot of the grease isn't in the product. So health-wise, it's better to have what looks like here than having that all replaced with regular thickness bacon that I would cook myself and then, you know, try to dry out and all those different things. But we want it to be crispy. I think this will work really well. So here's a closer look at the actual bacon, no brand, but you got 15 slices, but 3 slices, look at it here. We've only got 80 calories, 60 from fat, but 5 grams of protein. So, you know, I used half this bacon that was in that package, so that would be about 7 slices. So that's about double. So per piece, that's not going to be that much added calories or fat or bacon, but it is going to have a really good taste. Well, here we have 45 minutes convection at 375. I might have gone a little over, I can't tell. There's no liquid in the center. Now this bacon, of course, is brown quite a bit darker than I thought it might have. Let's look at the sides. The sides look okay. Well, I guess we're going to just have to try this to see. The recipe will be in the video description below, at least, if not in the video itself. Yeah, so I guess it's technically a little overdone, but nothing's burnt. So this was 45 minutes convection at 375. So I should have checked it before, but I took a bite and it really tastes nice. So what would I have changed? I would have cooked it for less time. And the bacon I definitely would have cut up in small pieces and maybe not put as much bacon. But we used about 160 grams of cheese, and it just happened to be cheese ends. You can get cheese ends at a lot of stores if they're busy. The ends where people have sliced and they've got a piece that's they can't really hold on to and slice thinner, so I usually get them, and I avoid anything that's colored orange usually, but anything else goes. But not bad. So we bought the crust, we bought pre-cooked bacon, and then we just had our eggs, heavy cream, and broccoli. Very good.